If you're a holder of Hedera, consider yourself extremely lucky. Why? We've seen the markets up in arms. We've seen the Donald Trump meme coin completely tank the markets. Now we have the Argentinian meme coin that was promoted by President Javier Milei that has really put in focus the importance of holding solid utility projects, and Hedera ranks at the very top of that list. It is my belief that over the next 2 to 4 weeks, we're going to see a flight to quality where people are sick and tired of losing money by getting front run by snipers, sometimes on the same team that launched the actual project, are sick and tired of the speculation and say, look, I'm going to move my money into projects that are actually building, projects with utility, and projects that don't have extractive valued community members. So with that being said, again, Hedera ranks at the top of my list. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Hedera's price action, some updates, and what we can expect for Hedera coming into the end of Q1 of this year. So like the video and let's jump in. Take a look here at the coin market cap. Hedera currently down, as is everything in the market, including BTC, at 21.23 cents. On the 7-day, it is down almost 10%. On the 1 month, it is down 38.5%. Now, unless you believe Hedera is not going to make it through this market cycle, it's not going to make a new all-time high, and it's going to trend to zero, these are buying opportunities. You take a look here at the Hedera chart on the 4-hour. You see we got confluence on support, and now although we are currently trading below the price of 21.35 cents, the candle has not closed yet. We still have about an hour and a half. And you take a look at the MACD, we are losing momentum on the sells. At least the sells are getting less and less big, right? So you take a look there. We had a big spike that lasted between the 7th of January through the 9th of January. You take a look at this really, really long sell-off period here where we saw this thing spike all the way down to 59. And then they started getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. So you guys get the point, right? Now, although you take a look at the price action, this thing has been down. I do want to take off the support and resistance bands, and I want to show you how much we've retraced on this move. I'm going to zoom out to the 12-hour. How much we've retraced from this original move, this breakout essentially from a mini cup and handle. We're going to take this move here. We're going to throw some fibs on here. So we're going to go all the way down to around 13.26 cents, all the way up. And you can see here, we'll take it to the wick. The max pain scenario for me, for Hedera, if it continues to go down, is 18.9 cents. That is our 786 fib retracement level. You see, we also tapped this level on that nasty wick on Black Sunday, the 2nd, where Bitcoin washed out all the way down to $92,000. Altcoins got wrecked. It was just a nasty day in the market. So we are currently trading between our 786 and our 618 level. And I do believe this thing is going to reverse. Even if it doesn't, even if it goes down to the max pain scenario of 18.9 cents, again, the amount of money I believe that's going to start flooding into quality projects, not to mention Hedera fits multiple narratives. It's going to get an ETF. It's got the institutional narrative. It's got the RWA narrative. It's got the AI narrative. And it has the no capital gains tax because it's a made in the USA crypto narrative. All these things I believe are going to converge on top of each other, and we're going to see a rally from the largest utility coins, and Hedera being at the top of that list. Couple big updates here. So this was posted by the Hedera X handle. HederaCon speaker lineup. It's happening February 25th in Denver, Colorado at ETH Denver. And Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, will be joining Dr. Lehman Baird for a fireside chat along with Ryan Solomon, the CEO of Genfinity. And so we're starting to see a lot more collaboration from some of the top projects, again, like Hedera, like Cardano. We're seeing some other ones from maybe Algorand, from Ripple. Then we have this. I mentioned AI is a booming narrative for Hedera. Take a look at this. This was posted by Mark Chadwick X on X. AI is one of the most dominant narratives in crypto today, envisioning new possibilities. You know, a lot of people don't talk about Hedera when it comes to AI, and maybe they should. Maybe they should start talking about it because look at these. Equity Lab, right? Introducing their first verifiable compute with Intel and NVIDIA using Hedera for trust layer in AI systems. Prove AI, which is offering a platform for tamper-proof AI data governance directly on the Hedera blockchain. And it facilitates compliant AI training. You have Accenture, which leverages AI or Hedera for AI solutions. You also have Sealcoin aims to enable secure IoT device communication using Hedera for data integrity and security. Throw this into the bucket of Hedera narratives, again, on top of RWA and institutions, which is where we know Hedera shines. And the last chart I do want to share with you here is Hedera versus BTC. It has been bleeding up, but we are seeing confluence on the 2 and the 4 hour support lines here. Again, we have another hour and a half. I do believe this is going to close right where our support level is, which is going to be at that 225 level. So if you look at the short term, things don't look good, but you broaden your horizons and try to understand what is happening in the market right now today, we're going to start seeing a flight to quality. You don't want to be on the wrong side of that flight to quality that's coming here soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the rest of our Hedera videos. We do have a Hedera playlist. And also join our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one.